Do you want to apply for the reprint of PAN card? Do you want to apply for the changes or corrections in PAN card? So hello guys, this is Arzu Arora. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's videos is all about the application for reprint of your PAN card. So let's get started the video. If you want to apply for the new PAN, or if you are already holding a PAN and you want to apply for the reprint of PAN, you need to visit the site called onlineservices.nsdl.com. A dashboard will appear like this. Here you have to apply online and fill in the details online. Firstly, there is an application type, like if you want to apply for the new PAN, and if you want to apply for the changes or correction in the existing PAN or reprint of PAN card, then all of them you can apply here. And secondly, you have to choose a category here. Like if you are applying for yourself, then you have to select individual. Like I am applying for myself today, so I will select here individual. Now you have to enter your basic details like your name, surname, date of birth, email ID, mobile number, and you have to submit the form here. I have filled my basic details here, and now I will submit the form. And after submitting the form, a token number will be generated, and you can continue with your PAN application form here. You can note down this token number for your future reference. Now I will click on continue with the PAN application form. After clicking on continue, a dashboard will open like this. Now you can see here there are three modes to submit your PAN application documents. The first one is to digitally sign the eKYC. The first option is to submit digitally through eKYC and eSign. To avail the eKYC and eSign services, Aadhaar is mandatory, and your PAN should be linked with your Aadhaar, so an OTP will be sent to your mobile number or email ID linked with your Aadhaar to generate the Aadhaar based eSign. So if you are not having your PAN linked with your Aadhaar, you cannot avail this service. And if your PAN is linked with Aadhaar, you can avail this service, and there is no need to upload any photograph, signature and supporting documents. The photographs used in Aadhaar card would be printed in PAN card. And the second option is to submit the scanned images through e-signature. Like you have to scan your all documents like your photographs, signatures and supporting documents, and then upload it on the site here. In this type of verification also, you don't need to send any type of supporting documents or any type of application physically. And the third one is to forward the application documents physically. So in this type of application, you need to fill the form online and then download the application, and then do your signatures on that form, and you have to physically send it to the department. So today I will be selecting the second option, that I will scan all the images of my photograph, signature and supporting documents, and I'll upload them. Now you have to fill the basic details about yourself and then press next here. And on the second page you will see again the basic information like your address, your telephone number, your email ID. Fill the details here, and after filling the address details, press next here. So on the third page you have to upload your proof of identity, proof of address and proof of date of birth along with your photograph and signature. After uploading all the documents here, you have to click submit. After clicking on submit, a review of the completed application form will appear here, and you have to confirm the details. So after reviewing your application, click on proceed. Now a payment dashboard will appear like this, and you can make the payment online. So after making the payment online, a screen will appear like this, and you have to click continue. And here you have to authenticate your Aadhaar to proceed further. So tick this box and then authenticate. So here you have to verify your OTP. So after the verification of your OTP, your application form will appear in the PDF format, and you can download here. So after submitting the OTP and the verification of the OTP, your application form in the PDF format can be downloaded here. So you can download the form here. and this PDF file is password protected, and the password to open the same is your date of birth. So guys, this was a small video on how you can make the application for reprint of your PAN card by yourself. For checking the status of your PAN application, the link is provided here on the screen. You can visit this site and put your acknowledgement number, which you can get from the downloaded application. That is the application which you have downloaded in the PDF format in the last step. On the very first page of that PDF format, you can see the acknowledgement number, and by putting that number on this site, you can get the latest updates regarding your application. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you find this video very useful. And if you have any doubts and queries regarding the video and regarding the application form, you can write down to me in the comment box. And if you want more updates like this, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.